Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your video on the Vidnoz AI. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Vidnoz website and then we have to create our account. And after the account creation, as you can see, you will be able to see all the AI characters here. Now you have to choose that which AI character you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one or this one, whatever you want. So here's the option for the create video. If you want to create a video from here, you can also do that. So let's choose that which one you want to use. I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, what we have to do simply we need to choose the country type. So for example, I'm going to use this one, create the video with this avatar. So let's click on this, and then what you have to do, you have to choose the ratio, that which ratio you want. For example, I want in the landscape, so you have to click on the landscape, and as you can see, now we have choose the size, and now our video will be created. So as you can see, now we will be redirected to the editing mode, so we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now we are in the editing mode, so I'm going to skip this one. So as you can see, now the AI character is here, and you can adjust this character anywhere wherever you want. So as you can see, now the UI script is written here. Now if you want to change the script, you can also do that. If you want to add the scripts, you can also do that. If you want the options for the controlling, like the speed, pitch, and the volume, you can also control that. If you want the subtitles, you can also enable this or disable this. So in this way, you can do that. And now let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you'll be able to see the preview of your video here. This is the voiceover preview. So if you want to check out the preview, you have to click on this. And after clicking on this, you will be able to see the preview. As you can see, now it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds. Now, if you want to generate this, you have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, your video will be generated. So in this way, you can generate the video on the Vidnoz AI. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.